Hey, my name is Jim Parr, and we're going to talk to you about the fundamentals of understanding how to put out a sustainable message. And so each week I'm going to come to you with my green thinking and really put on the hats and help consumers and businesses understand how to go and direct that brand properly. So number one we're going to talk about is understanding your brand and understanding what that message is going to be. Number two is to plan and execute what that strategy is going to be, because you want to make sure it's a clear message and plan it properly. Number three is go into the creation. This is very important to make sure your creation really resonates with who you're targeting with your message. And number four is implement what you're going to do and do a clear implementation of it. And finally, five is to measure it. Always in any marketing campaign, you want to measure the success of it. And obviously with the new technology and funnels, we can actually split test and see two different plans and see what works best before we execute it out into the internet world, or if it's on an event tour. So if you have any comments, leave them below. I'd love to hear what your brand is and what you're trying to do. Just leave the comments below, hit that like button, and I appreciate you watching. And if you're interested in the 2020 Clean Air Green Tour, reach out to me directly, leave a comment, message me through LinkedIn, and I'm happy to share that that advertising deck with you. I'd love that you can share this and get a clear understanding of your brand, and hopefully this message helps you. So thanks for watching.